Found consumers' wants and needs. Put people first is the corporate philosophy of Haojin Group. Its R&D efforts start with realizing consumers' wants and needs. Based on consumption pattern in African markets and big data analysis of road conditions in Africa, Haojin has released Charm 115.
来源于当地市场的一个需求，以及我们服务于当地消费者的一个需要，要达到一个好车为民造的一个理念。
By accurately positioning and considering the needs of consumers, Haojin Charm 115 considers both high cost-effective and high passing ability, relying on the features of Light Sport CUB. Charm 115 meets the holistic needs of consumers in both appearance and performance. Starting with product design from R&D, innovation of each detail represents revision and approach to in-depth matching with consumer demands. Made what consumers needed.
公司在考察这个非洲市场呢，发现他们道路比较复杂，坡路比较多，所以说发动机当研究方向就是发动机有更好的中低速和更低的这个摩擦，使油耗更低，经济性更好。
The strength comes from inherent competency. Leading technologies highlight great strength in R&D, underpinned on responsibilities. By establishing the powerful production matrix, Haojin builds excellent quality with sincerity and dedication to quality. Purchasing of parts and components and motorbike assembly and testing technologies follow strict standard. Realized what consumers' wants and needs.
非洲市场一个使用的环境比较恶劣，我们的整车在考核过程中，比如增加了整车震动、考核车架、坐垫、减震。同时呢，我们在道路验证这一块也是结合了他们当地使用的一个情况。
On its way towards the leading position in the industry and in the world, Haojin Group keeps perceiving its own values and identifying the route where it distinguishes itself from others. The intellect of each marketer and sales are used to respond to the market wants and needs to the largest extent. Ranging from product manufacturing, marketing promotion, and after-sales service, we seek precision by elaborating on each detail. Created for you. This is the interaction between the era and the industry. This is the dialogue between human and products. Haojin Charm 115 instills the philosophy of premium products into each step forward. Taking the mission of creating for you, we make utmost efforts for all motorcycle users who have selected Haojin, and for you, the individual consumer.